Let's create a luscious persimmon cocoa mousse. Persimmons, nature's little jewels, are bursting with natural sweetness and a hint of tartness. Today, we'll elevate this seasonal treasure into a decadent dessert, a silky smooth persimmon cocoa mousse. First, let's prepare our persimmons. Halve them and scoop out the vibrant orange flesh, a promise of the sweet and tangy flavor to come. Next, we'll add 3 tablespoons of rich cocoa powder. The natural sweetness of the persimmon eliminates the need for added sugar. Using a mini mixer, we'll blend the persimmon and cocoa until smooth and velvety. The contrast of sweet and slightly bitter flavors creates a delightful taste sensation. This persimmon chocolate mousse is a guilt-free sweet treat this holiday season since it's all-natural taste without the added sugar. We'll pour this decadent batter into a glass and let it settle in the refrigerator. It is better to chill it overnight. This persimmon cocoa mousse is a guilt-free, naturally sweetened treat, perfect for the holiday season. The first bite is pure bliss. The creamy texture, rich cocoa flavor, and subtle sweetness of the persimmon create a harmonious symphony of taste. It's a dessert that's both comforting and sophisticated. So, the next time you encounter a persimmon, remember this recipe. It's a simple yet elegant way to savor the beauty of this seasonal fruit. Indulge in the sweetness of life, one spoonful at a time. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.